I'd say welcome back. Common Ground volunteer Karol Swan is back. I rolled up my sleeves because we're going to be cooking now. We talked to her a little bit ago about how local fresh produce can be found around our area and meat as well. Now she has a recipe. And Karol, what do you have for us today?
It's called Mexican corn salad, and the reason it is because the corn is charred. Now you can use fresh corn, or you can use, I use frozen corn, and it said if you use frozen corn, just dump it in frozen, and then you saute it in butter, which we already have. Then you add some salt and pepper, and we'll go with cilantro. I also use garlic in this, the little jars of garlic that you get. Some Parmesan cheese. Yeah, there's my garlic. Green onions.
I love how you have this all ready to go.
Red onions. You just dump them in, and a little bit of lime juice.
Okay.
Then we have mayonnaise.
Okay.
And sour cream, which is kind of interesting. A lot of times sour cream and mayonnaise are kind of, you go, that's different. And then we just stir it up. You can eat it hot or cold. And you just stir it up and make a nice salad out of it. And it's a nice veggie, and it, like I said, you can eat it hot or cold. And it's one of those things, if you let it set overnight, it really is good. Really is good.
That does look good.
And your cilantro, I know more and more farmers markets people are selling herbs, and so you can pick up cilantro there. You can pick up your corn. You can use your sweet corn and just cut it off the cob and do the same thing. You just cook it till it's a little bit charred. And of course, you can always get onions and green onions at the farmer's market too. And then I have my lime. We put lime in there, but you know, sometimes you just have to use something else from somewhere else to get that flavor in. And then you can top it with a crumbled cheese, and this is a locally produced cheese from Nebraska, just up the road. And you can just top it with that when you are ready to eat it out of your bowl.
Okay. So, can you add anything else to it too if you wanted to?
Yes, you could. I think tomatoes would be good. If you wanted to add a few just beans, like some of those beans we were cooked a few beans, or pinto beans, or black beans. Black beans added would be good to it too. It's very versatile, and if you aren't into cilantro, some people don't care for that. You can leave it out, and it's equally as good.
Well, I'm going to give this a try. I assume that I can.
Yes.
Or should I put this on the plate?
Well, you can do however you want.
I should do that because I don't want to completely mess it all up here.
Oh, well, we are fine with that.
Okay, let me try this, and it's good, even with the cilantro.
Yeah.
I'm actually not a cilantro fan. And it tastes good even with that, so I can do it.
Yeah.
You made it perfect for me.
Well, thank you. Thank you. This was fun. Fun getting it ready. So.
Thank you, Karol, for being here today.
Thank you so much.
And thank you for watching Pure Nebraska. We'll see you back here again tomorrow.